What's going on, everybody? So today I just wanted to go over something that a lot of you are falling for, and that is these companies who are out here guaranteeing and promising any type of results with credit repair. This company I just found on Facebook, I wanted to share with y'all. I think they got like right at 300 comments, but that's potentially 300 people that could get scammed by a company that promises to remove all your negative items and get you in the 700 club within X amount of days. So y'all just check this clip out real quick.
We guarantee to boost your credit score to 700 plus, or you get your money back. Whether you have collections, charge-offs, late payments, hard inquiries, repos, bankruptcies, doesn't matter. We guarantee to remove all those negative items and help you get to the 700 club, or you get your money back. Now, how can we make such guarantees, such bold claim? Well, in the last 12 years, we've already helped over 11,000 people get to the 700 club. And we're so confident that we can help you do the same that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. So if you want a guaranteed way to get to the 700 club, then click the button below, schedule a free consultation, and speak with you soon.
So as you can see, they're promising to get you in the 700 club and delete all your negative information from your credit report. They don't control that. I don't control that. You don't control that. Now, I don't know exactly what they're doing, but I know part of it is they are just adding old trade lines to your credit report to boost your score. That way, if they don't get those negative items removed, they can say, oh, well, we were able to boost your score well above 700. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.